Welcome to Absolute Drinks with Rico. I'm Rico and today we're making a tailgate classic. We're making the yellow.
Welcome, this is Absolute Drinks with AJ and I'm making the tailgate classic, the Yellowhammer Slammer. The Yellow Slammer Hammer, the Yellowhammer cocktail. The Yellowhammer, you can really taste the almond coming through. The rum lifts everything up and you have the pineapple piercing through with like freshness. So this cocktail is our standard Alabama football tailgate cocktail served at tailgates. We got the classic college movie cups because that's what you got at the tailgate. We're gonna start with juicing some pineapple. Oh. So we just want a thick slice because we don't need that much juice. Just cut off all the ends, something like that. And then we want to cut out the center part because that is really hard and there's no juice in there. There we go. So we're just gonna pop this in our juicer. And if you have regular pineapple juice and orange juice at home, that's fine, use that. For this one, we're gonna just use our 2 regular cups and we're gonna take 60 milliliter per drink, just straight in there. And then gonna juice 1 orange, just gonna cut off the ends and then just peel it with your knife all the way around. You will need to peel it because all the white bits in here are very bitter and you'll get that in your juice and that's not a nice taste. So I prefer to peel it with a knife and not peel it by hand, so it takes an hour, like Rico.
Jesus Christ. These are some thick-skinned oranges. These are thick oranges, bro.
Because I do everything a little bit better than him. So just pop them in there, and then here we're gonna do 30 ml per drink. Then we're gonna do equal parts of the almond liqueur, the vodka, and the light rum. So we do 15 of each. Pour it in. Ouch. This is not the most handy cups. And 15 of the vodka. Okay, let's ice it up. And then I would garnish with just a slice of orange. And there we go, the Yellowhammer Slammer. So this is a normal drink, but it looks tiny because these cups are big. So let's try and just pour it up in a glass. Yeah, I would say that's a good drink. And then you could top it up with some soda water. You can add more juice. I mean, if you like orange juice, add more orange juice. If you like pineapple juice, add more pineapple juice. Let's taste it. It's a very nice taste. It's very juicy and you have the sweetness to it. Yeah, it's a good drink. Good job, Alabama. So usually at a tailgate party, they would just get a big plastic jug, pour all the ingredients in there, stir it around, some ice in. Everyone has their own cup. Go up there, just pour it in, and you got yourself a drink. But we're Absolute. We're a little bit more fancy. As Alabama also knows, you guys know, hit the subscribe, hit the like, and you'll probably see my face more. We just made the Yellowhammer, absolute delicious drink. I'm AJ and this is Absolute Drinks with AJ.